I'm Mr. Mizell. I'm the manufacturing technology instructor here at Southwest Tech. In manufacturing technologies, in year 1, year 2, you'll have the opportunity to do SolidWorks, welding, as well as CNC machining. In this program, I teach CAD and fabrication. I'm very big on project-based learning. In this program, students can gain certifications to enter the workforce in welding. In my CAD and fabrication class, we'll go over SolidWorks, laser software such as Lightburn, and you get to use 2 forms of lasers, a fiber laser and a CO2 laser. One burns wood and plastic, one burns metal, which you can make hats, patches, as well as business cards. You can engrave raw metal such as stainless steel and coins. And the students get to take home and keep what they make. After high school, I got very interested in CNC machining. I went to Lincoln Tech for programming and manufacturing, where I graduated with certifications in Mastercam as well as Haas Mills. Before I started here at Southwest Tech, I had 8 years of experience in the industry. I operated and programmed mills, lathes, as well as plasma cutters. Upon graduating from my program, you will have enough knowledge to go ahead and enter the workforce. However, upon graduating, I do recommend you go to college to maximize your potential in the workforce.